Now the question before us is, how many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? This is the hemispherical bowl. What has been given? We have been given diameter from this point to this point. What is this? It is 10.5 centimeter. Now what has been written? How many liters of milk the hemispherical bowl can hold? If we put milk into it, it can hold as much quantity of milk which will be equal to its volume. In other words, when we put milk into it, the quantity of the milk it can hold will be equal to the volume of the hemispherical bowl. So this is the diameter. For the purpose of calculation of volume, we take half of diameter, that is we will calculate radius. Radius is half of diameter. What is given? Diameter is equal to 10.5 centimeter. So radius is 10.5 over 2 because radius is half of diameter. It will come as 5.25 centimeter. Now what we are to calculate? Quantity of milk a hemispherical bowl can hold. This is we have to calculate. It will be equal to the volume of hemispherical bowl or hemisphere. Now what is the formula to calculate the volume of hemisphere? It is 2 over 3 pi r cube. Now we will fill in the values. 2 over 3 pi means 22 over 7. Now we will put in the value of r cube. So we will multiply 5.25. It will happen 3 times. So when we solve it, we will arrive at 303.18 centimeter, cubic centimeter. Now what is the question? How many liters of milk? Now what we have calculated, it is cubic centimeter. So we will have to convert it into cubic centimeter into liters. So we know that 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter, and 1 milliliter is equal to, we have to convert 1 milliliter into liters. You know that a liter, 1 liter contains 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So 1 milliliter is equal to 1 over 1000 liter. So here it becomes 303.18 cubic centimeter is replaced by milliliter. So now we will convert this milliliter into liter. So what we will do? 303 over 1000. So what we will arrive at? 0.303 liter approximately. So this is the answer. Hemispherical bowl can hold milk is equal to 0.03 liters approximately. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give star rating to our course.